She'll be able to shit, I'll tell you that.
Yep. You guys have milk?
Unfortunately, so.
What, you don't like milk?
I don't fuck around.
Why?
They don't make milk like they used to.
I don't know, I drink it like it's
What you
water.
doing using up my cups, man? I gotta watch out, motherfuckers, man. Y'all just come in and use up my coffee cups like they ain't no thing.
I don't know, well, give me a little cup then.
No, go on, use that. You put your head on it now. Go on.
I'll put my hand on and around the
You
cup.
got everything recorded on there. They gonna be like, what kind of YouTube is this shit?
What's really
cursing in the
check that new
background?
jacket, fitted, CJ Productions, record my little sister doing the cinnamon trick,
And he got a jug of milk in his hand.
and I got a jug of milk with Tramp's drink. How's it?
It didn't work, huh?
I try to tell you. You gotta keep going.
Big ass powder going on. Don't burn yourself. That's hot water.
Look at your face.
That's hot water, yeah.
Oh.
Don't burn your lips off yourself.
I try to tell you, man.
Choke him out.
You just wasted $5. And she's recording it.
Oh my god.
No louder. That's tight. Oh, I know. You alright? You ain't gonna like cinnamon too much now.
I've never eaten cinnamon yet.
You don't eat French toast?
It like gets like bigger and bigger in your mouth because of the saliva. The saliva makes it like get like